Welcome to our GenStone experience. We started from the bottom left and worked up and to the right. We followed the easy numbering system, which really helped a lot. After a while, we started picking up speed. Then we made it over to the right side. We were able to do all the work ourselves. Every great story ends well. Here we have the beautiful finished result. If you look here, we started from the left and just kept going to the right, and it absolutely looks amazing. We continued the GenStone around the right side of the house, and it absolutely looks amazing, as you can tell here.